A warm welcome to one and all present here. I am Pratyush of class 11, standing here in the prestigious post of head boy. I have been given a few minutes to tell why you should vote for me. I would promise you really awesome things like lot candidates would, but you are too lucky for that. So I will tell you the truth, what I can realistically do for our school and all of us. I hope that we will work together in making our school ourselves better version. If I become the head boy, I promise to solve each and every problem related to academics, sports, co-curricular activities and make this year the amazing one. I promise that I work hard with all my determination, passion and work with each and every one of each one of you. Mahatma Gandhi once quoted, "Great leader don't tell what to do, they show you how it's done." I realized that being head boy of a school is a trust of students' body to organize and represent it with full honesty. I am Pratyush of class 11, standing in the post of SPL. My symbol is skateboard, so don't forget to vote for me. Thank you.